So these are very precise clocks. They consist of two parts. One is in vacuum, and the second one is like normal clocks. You can see that it has almost normal mechanism to this, and they are designed to tick a bit slower than they should be. And once in a while, controlled by the precise vacuum clocks, they get a push from this lever to get them to speed. You just saw it. What happens here, there is only a pendulum, and it's in vacuum, and it's undisturbed. Nothing pushes it and nothing touches it. But only once in a while, this small lever falls onto this roller and gives it a bit of a push. And when this lever slips from this roller, the electrical signal goes to this piece and gives a push to the slower normal clock. And the timing of this lever falling on the roller is controlled by the right clock. Sorry for all the reflections. These clocks were like the most precise clocks until the atomic age. They are even supposed to be on different walls so that one pendulum does not affect the other one.